How to replace the M.2 solid-state drive. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Caution: the edges of the solid-state drive shield are sharp. Take care not to cut yourself when removing the shield. Carefully release the solid-state drive shield from the clips that secure it to the motherboard and remove. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the solid-state drive to the top cover. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it from its slot. Reverse this procedure to install the solid-state drive. Important: when installing the solid-state drive, be sure to align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot in the motherboard.